universe, the Most High, and nature for this day and this opportunity. Hi, I'm Ace the Vegan Baby, and this is another daily vlog. This is going to be a couple days of vlog. I don't want to call it a weekly vlog because it's only like 2 or 3 days that I'm putting in. But here's the update. I made a video almost a week ago about maintenance, and I was supposed to post every other day from that video. What happened was my partner and I actually got COVID and I came on my cycle, so this last week has been rough for me and I kind of let my house go. So this is going to be me getting myself together again. This is going to be another maintenance vlog. My new couch actually came. A few other pieces for my new apartment came as well. So in a few videos you'll see an apartment tour and also me setting up little stuff in my apartment. I'll show you how I did my accent wall and everything. Also, my birthday is in 7 days and I am throwing a huge party for myself. This is a themed party, so I'm not going to tell you who I'm going to be. You have to wait till the day of, and I will post a video of the actual party. So I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get this day started. As you can see, I woke up at 7:30-ish. I usually wake up 7:15, but I hit my alarm. I was tired. But yeah, let's get this house together because I really I don't think y'all understand how much I let my house go. So my bed looks like this. I've been sleeping with my weighted blanket, not my covers, so my cover's still like this, but I need to wash and change my linens. Yeah, we're not even gonna talk about what's going on right here. That's that. My closet. It's not too bad, but as you can see, I've been pulling clothes out, so I need to put stuff back. I've been taking purses down, so yeah. Oh my goodness. My dog, my dog has toys everywhere. Like, it's ridiculous. My bathroom, yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. I need to clean. Like, I use charcoal toothpaste and face mask, so it gets everywhere. I need to clean. This is where I've been mostly, so this is what that looks like, but I'm actually about to change my couches out. This couch is actually going in my computer room, and that's my new couch, and it's another piece in there. So yeah, I have to clean my floors, carpet clean, and vacuum. You can't really tell, but I got a puppy, and when I don't take him out, he doesn't like to use his pad. I don't know why, and he likes to poop right there. So I got a carpet clean. My coat, I just threw it there. Like, yeah, I have dish. Oh, we're not even about to talk about that. That's embarrassing. Oh my goodness. So this is the other couch right here. Well, the other piece of the couch. Yeah, also, my cats, so I put their food up here when they eat because my dog likes to try to eat the cat food. They spilled food everywhere, so I had to clean that, and litter. Like, they spilled litter everywhere, so I had to clean that. These are cords for some DJ stuff for my partner, so I have to move those. Yeah, it's a lot going on in here, and let's get it together. Let's get started. This is my carpet cleaner. I just want to show you guys my carpet cleaner. This is what it looks like. It's pretty simple to use. All you do is you detach this part. Hold up. You detach this part. You fill it up with hot water through here. You put the solution. Hold up, focus. You put the solution in there. This is the one that I use. And you start it up, and This handle right here is what you use to spray the water and the solution, and then you just drag it back and forth across the carpet like a vacuum, and it cleans the carpet. And you'll see it working, like all this stuff will come like in this area, like you'll see it working. So yeah, this is my carpet cleaner. I'm also replacing stuff in my shelves. And put it in there, and then I have cereal up here, and I'm gonna put more in there. So yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm making ramen. I did a little bit in my bathroom. I still need to sweep. We went and got more candles. I went and got more lotion. So this one is new. This one is new. This is new. This is new. And I have 2 more of these under my sink. So right now I'm just setting up for a Zoom call. It starts at 11:30 and oh, it's 11:30 now. So let me sign in. But now I'm just waiting. So yeah.
All right. Good to see you.
I'm ready.
All right. I'm ready as well. I'm going to build a profile real quick, then I'm going to share my screen. All right.
Okay. Just finished my meeting. So I'm about to take a nap and chill out really quickly. It's a little bit later in the day after my Zoom meeting. After my nap, I'm going to do my lashes. I know I was supposed to do them this morning, but I forgot I had that meeting this morning, so I did not do them. I just worked out this morning. So I'm about to take a nap because I'm taking myself on a date later today. So I'm going to show you guys me taking myself on a date. I do want to make this disclaimer now because all of you know that I am vegan. I will be showing non-vegan food from the restaurant that I'm going to, just to show a variety, because I made a TikTok video and I want to show what the restaurant offered or whatever. So you will see some non-vegan options or plates in my video, but they weren't mine. They were from people that I know, but they weren't mine personally. Another thing is, yes, I'm taking myself on a solo date, but I am going with a group of girls, and I'm just going to sit at a different table. We all decided for this year that we're going to experience life and, you know, being on some black girl luxury lifestyle and living. So we decided to all do solo dates just at the same restaurant. So I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that's what we decided to do. So I'm gonna take my nap, then I'm gonna get ready for my date, and yeah. So this is what I'm wearing on my date. My little Michael Kors bag, little crop pants, Michael Kors booties. This belt I got from Fashion Nova. I'm going to put that poof on my purse. This is what I'm wearing smell-wise from Bath and Body Works, and this is made by black-owned company, and it's just their version of the Chanel perfume, but I like theirs better because it's a softer, it's the same scent, but it's a little bit softer, and I don't like super strong smelling perfumes. So yeah, this is what I'm going with. I'm also about to fix my nails, so yeah. So it's actually the next morning. I ate really good, and I'm going to end the vlog here. I have a hair appointment today, so I'm just, you know, getting myself ready for that. I'm drinking my tea and stuff right now, so yeah. I will show you guys the process of me getting my hair done and doing my nails and stuff for my birthday, because that will be the next video. So peace, y'all. I'm about to go get my hair done.